What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test camping table. Open it up. So it comes with one of these netted side on one side, so that way in case it gets wet it doesn't get stinky. So let's pull this out. I assume this is the legs. Yeah. And this is right here is the actual table. This is a brand new item. Okay. Bunch of rubber pieces, fold them together. Whoa. So let me show you one more time. You pull it like that and flip this over. I guess it goes in here and then pushes up. Same thing right here. Goes in and up. Nice. Now let's figure this out real quick. Okay, this part it should be very simple. You see the pipe over here, it pops into here. That's it. Wow, cool. And then it unfolds, and on this side as well you pop this table into here. Wow, so nice. Now you have a really tiny, very comfortable table. This is really cool. George, check out this table, and you can lift it, put it together. Don't lift it on the sides. Honestly, it's still fine. Just lift it to this side so that way it doesn't come off. I wouldn't sit on it, but as you can see, if you put teapots and stuff like that, that's amazing. You can grab it, lift it, move it around. Wow. I thought at first, should I make a video of that? But you know what? Now that I'm putting it together and now taking it apart, definitely so. Look how fast it is to put it together. Done. Pull this up, flip it over, pull this up, flip it over, push it together and put it into your bag, and you're all set. That's definitely perfect for RVs and van life. I wouldn't hike with that for a very long time, but base camp is perfect.